Bile production is a crucial aspect of our digestive system, playing a key role in the digestion and absorption of fats. Produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, bile helps break down dietary fats into fatty acids, which can be easily absorbed by the body. If you're looking to enhance your bile production naturally, incorporating specific foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Here are the top 6 foods known to boost bile production and support liver and gallbladder health. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are powerhouses of nutrients. They are particularly high in chlorophyll and fiber, both of which are beneficial for bile production. Chlorophyll helps in detoxifying the liver, while fiber supports the efficient elimination of waste, ensuring that bile is utilized effectively. You can add a handful of spinach or kale to your morning smoothie, prepare a fresh salad with mixed greens, or sauté Swiss chard with garlic for a nutritious side dish. 2. Beets. Beets and their greens are rich in betaine, a compound that supports liver detoxification and bile flow. Betaine aids in breaking down fatty acids and supports the liver in metabolizing fats more efficiently, thereby enhancing bile production. To include beets in your diet, you can roast them with a drizzle of olive oil for a tasty side dish. Blend beet greens into a green juice or smoothie, or add grated raw beets to salads for a sweet and earthy flavor. 3. Artichokes. Artichokes contain cynarin, a compound known to stimulate bile production and improve fat digestion. Cynarin enhances bile flow, making it easier for the body to process fats. You can enjoy artichokes by steaming them and serving with a dipping sauce, adding them to salads, or incorporating them into pasta dishes. 4. Lemon and lime. Citrus fruits like lemons and limes are high in vitamin C and citric acid, which can stimulate the liver to produce more bile. These fruits also aid in detoxification processes and support overall liver health. You can squeeze lemon or lime juice into the water for a refreshing drink, use the juice in salad dressings, or add slices of these fruits to your meals for an extra zing. 5. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown to increase bile production and improve liver health. Turmeric can be easily incorporated into your diet by adding it to soups, stews, and curries, or even blending it into smoothies. For an extra health boost, try making a turmeric tea or golden milk. 6. Garlic. Garlic has sulfur-containing compounds that can stimulate bile production and support liver detoxification processes. These compounds help in breaking down fats and enhancing overall digestive health. To reap the benefits of garlic, you can add it to a variety of dishes such as soups, sauces, and stir-fries, or consume it raw if you can tolerate the strong flavor. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help improve bile production and support your digestive health. By making these dietary changes, you can enhance your body's ability to process fats and maintain a healthy liver and gallbladder.